Good morning, guys. Yeah, you see, I removed my bird. Yeah, I removed my mustache, and that was nice. Today is my first day of my work after 3 weeks vacation. I don't know what to say. Yeah, but yeah, we'll go back to work, and we'll see you later. Don't understand why they have this kind of matrix thing like this in here. It makes people dizzy. I feel dizzy looking at it. Barangaro Ro. So this is the name of the place, and at the moment this is just a parking area inside, but I think they are planning to do a shopping mall or something like a high-rise apartment or high-rise building. And if you notice, upstairs is like it's a residential area. There are very nice old apartments in there, old apartments inside in there. You see that? Yeah. But you know, I think the government has a plan to sell that to private corporation, and they will do like what I've said, mall or big building, something like that. And then the resident of this area are opposing to that plan, so they don't want to sell the houses. But I don't know what will happen. Do you see that one? It's really nice. What kind of bird is that? So you don't see this kind of bird in an ordinary place like this in other country, but here, nah. Wow. Hey, look at this. There's a lot of people that are fishing here. One of our friend, yeah, he came a little bit late than us. One of his hobby is fishing, and one time I saw him on the other side of that. Yeah, you see that on the other side, I saw him. I was walking there and I saw him having a fishing rod. He was surprised to see me there. So you see that it is going to make me very tired. I'm joking. Yeah, look at that. How many counts is it? 2,350 steps until you get there. And this is the name of this place, the Hexon Steps. Look downstairs, and all the people that are fishing there. Yeah, I'm joking. I am strong. I can manage to climb up here. Yeah. So this is it, and this is the harbor bridge. Whoop, down there, and there is. Yeah, I've been here so many times, but I'm coming here with the friends, so I didn't able to do the vlog. And this is the view. A lot of people there. That is the opera house. They are playing the movie Mulan, and a while ago they played the song of Lea Salonga, you know, the theme song of this movie. Nice, makes me a little bit proud. Good morning, guys. Right now I'm here in Takam Cafe here, and I came here early. Good morning po. Camera. These are two of my favorite food. This is longganisa and sinigang na baboy. This is the Bondi Junction. Down there is the train station, and I will just have a coffee in McDonald's because there is a nice view on that side. So I am right now here in the Bondi Junction train station. This is like a food court, but downstairs is a train station. And right now I'm chatting with Miss Shelby Son. She's a Filipino, asking me things about how to get here. So if you are watching this video, Miss Shelby Son, I'm chatting with you right now. I normally answering the question, so if you have question I can answer that. You can just message me through my Facebook page, and we can talk. Guys, look at this. I found this in my wallet. I'm not aware that I have this money in my wallet. It is put together with a stapler. You see this stapler, and it's broken. I will try to change it with the new one, because there is a machine here in the bank that you can actually change it with coins or a new one. The machine is out of service, so I will try to find another machine. So today I'm going to do some updates about my life. So at the moment I'm here in Sussex Street. Sussex Street, and I'm going to the other side. I'm going to the Darling Harbour. Oh. So this is like the Harbour City. It's actually a part of the Chinese Chinatown. Yes, Chinatown. And we are now crossing the bridge that will bring us to the Darling Harbour. And if you can see in here, that is the Market City, the Chinatown, and on the other side here, nothing. Time now is 7:30 in the evening, and it's still bright like always. Part of the summer, it's always like this, and the temperature is around 26 degrees. The whole day is nice because it's not hot. There is a sun, but it's not hot, so the weather today is nice. But yesterday was very hot, but it's good because I was working yesterday, so I'm just inside the kitchen and sweating in the kitchen, not outside. Look at this. So a lane of restaurant, a lot of people, but not look very busy. Just an ordinary day. I went here before in this calisthenic, in this outdoor gym. I did some workout before, and I promised that I will keep on doing the workout, but I failed. Yeah, you know, when I arrived here, that one is still on under construction. Now it's working operational. I mean, it's operational now. There's still not much establishment, but some are open already. So this is how it looks like here. You see some people, they are, you know, just hanging out there. There is one stage here, and there are two ladies working out. You know, later I will go to the gym, maybe around 9 o'clock, because the gym closed at 10 o'clock. Yeah, I didn't tell you that I already, what I need to say, that I register for a 3-month gym membership in Fitness First. So yeah, I hope to go there if I can. Should be every day. I hope so. So regarding with my visa, with my job application, so at the moment I'm still looking for a job, so I'm still hopeful. I still have months. I still have like around 2 or 3 months left to do my application, job application. And yeah, you know, it's a little bit difficult to get a job here in Sydney, particularly here in Sydney CBD, or here in the Sydney Central Business District, because most of the company here are, you know, looking for the one who is a citizen, or the Australian citizen, or the permanent resident, or the people with already with 457 visa, or those with student visa, because in that way they don't need to spend money. If they hire those people, they don't need to spend money. But if they hired me, or someone like me, or someone who is not in the country, they need to spend money and need a long process to start to work. I'm always running out of English these days, because yeah, that's because of my I didn't vlog for a long time. So basically it's like that. There are ladies. I need to go. I'm afraid with the ladies. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, so like what I've said, that it's a little bit difficult to get a job here in Sydney, because a big competition, and you know, there are so many people here. They are also looking for a job the same like me, in the same position in the kitchen. So there's big competition. But you know, I already tried to, yeah, they are closed now. I'm in the near. I maybe did already around 50 or 100, but most of them replied to me and said to me that sorry, we are not approved to sponsor, we are not approved to do the 457. Yeah, they say like that, and I understand. Yeah, a company here need to be approved to give sponsorship to the employee. Not all of them are approved, so that is one of the reason why it's difficult to get a job here in Australia. Yeah, you know, most of those companies, they actually like me. They are asking me how many notice period you can, you know, something like that. And already some of those people already, I mean, some of those company already give me an schedule to work, but you know, for the legalities I cannot do that. So that is one of the reason. And another thing to look for a job is by going to the agency. But you know, going to the agency, it will cost you more. It is going to cost you more, like yeah, it's a little bit more expensive than applying by yourself. And yeah, so I also did something like that, but because I feel that I still have time, so I'm doing it by myself. But in the future, if I think I have a limited time, I will apply with the agent. Lobat, yeah, I'm running out of battery, and yeah, I'm running out of battery. I hope it will works until I finish. And about the yeah, there are also some company that, I mean, the company that are in the province, regional. So I'm also looking forward to get a job there, but they are not too much. I don't know how to get in touch with those company, so it's a little bit difficult, but I am trying. And because those people who are applying for regional work or regional visa, something like that, they are priority. And the only way that I can get a job to those regional are through the agent. But I'm afraid, I'm worried with the expenses, I mean the charges that I need to give to them. So yeah, but anyway, I'm always positive, hoping for the best, and I never lost hope. And yeah, and okay, about the yeah, I there are some people, some viewers that are sending me a link for the company, and I would like to thank you for that. I appreciate that. And I actually went to those company, but like what I've said, they are looking for those hub visa here, not my visa. Yeah, so yeah. And about the, because before you apply, I mean before you are able to get a job here in Australia for the 457 visa or 189 visa, you must have passed the IELTS with at least a score of 5.5. I already did that. I have that. That is I got that 5, no, I got 6.6, just 6. And another thing is skills assessment. You must have passed the skills assessment. So basically, skills assessment is like the conversion of your experience from other country as a cook to be acknowledged by the Australian government as qualified. Yeah, this thing is difficult to explain. I don't know how to say in English, but yeah, this is basically conversion of your experience to Australian standard to commercial cookery, something like that in my case. Yeah, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. I hope you did. Yeah, yeah. So that's it. I did that already, and I got the uh, commercial cookery certificate 3, so I am qualified to work in Australia now. And aside from that, you need to apply for the visa. So yeah, and at the moment, like what I've said, I'm still waiting for any confirmation of the company that is going to give me a job. I have a lot of pending application, and most of them are still waiting. I mean those here in the city, I know that they already declined me because of the, they are not approved. But I also have some application in the provinces, in the regional, so I'm waiting for those things. Wow. Yeah, so you see here around, I still have, the battery of this camera is running low. The last time I used this is like 3 days ago, and I just keep it in my bag. And today is my day off, but I didn't do vlogging this morning because uh, there is a new delivery of a refrigerator in our apartment. So the owner of the house asked me a favor to wait for the delivery, and I stay at home without doing anything. And I can't do vlog at home. I feel like sleepy. Yeah, I don't know. So I think that's it. So thank you for watching. Ciao.